Welcome to the ProStructures Concrete Modeling Learning path. We will now extend the visible elements. Extend and trim tools work with concrete beams, columns, and to an extent with slabs. From the Home tab in the ribbon, go to Edit Concrete Elements and click on Modify. In the Common tab, you can see Extend and Trim tools called Cut Part at a Line and Cut Part at another part. Make sure Extend to Line is checked. Now, select the Cut Part at a Line tool. Choose the part you want to modify and select the cutting line. The part was extended to the line. This time, select the Cut Part at another part tool. Select the first and then the second part. The first part was nicely trimmed at the second part. You have now learned how to extend and trim elements in ProStructures.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you want to see more such series, consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you, and see you next time.